guys love watching my vlog, and yeah, so let's go. Now we say hi. This is my personal assistant. So this place is fine. Cheers up. Hi guys, so we're here as usual very early. I like to be on time, you know, so I got here few minutes, 5 minutes past 12, and they asked me to be here at exactly 12, and I'm here. The bride is not yet here, the planner, the hair stylist, nobody's here yet, but I'm here. And this place is so cute. Oh my god, I swear, this is their lounge. We're asked to just sit here and wait. Like, it's so beautiful. I will show you guys the reception later. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. Damn. Hey guys, so after waiting about an hour and some minutes, the bride finally got to the hotel, and the hairstylist got here as well, and the photographer, and yeah, so we're already in the room, and everybody's trying to, like, you know, take a corner and just set up. So yeah, we'll be using the space by the door, and this is Christiana. She's so beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love how calm she was, and she kept apologizing, you know, for keeping us waiting. Like, hello. I love her. She was so calm, and she said she didn't like anything loud. So yeah, we wanted to do something calm, but at the same time I wanted the makeup to you know, suit all her outfits, you know, like we don't have to be changing anything. I feel like the only thing we wanted to change was the lips, but there was no time because we started the photo shoot pretty late, and then there was no time, and then she needed to change into all her different outfits, and yeah, so this is what her eyes looking like before I did eyeshadow. Unfortunately, I couldn't video that part because yeah, they were rushing me. So yeah, after this, I think her hairstylist started installing her first wig, and I thought she looks gorgeous. Her first outfit is this very beautiful green dress. It looks stunning. The tailor that did this dress, or a fashion designer, the person did such a good job. I mean, it's amazing. I actually thought it's a ready-made dress. She said she made the dress. I mean, it's so beautiful. Yeah, so this is the stylist, two of them behind her. This is Vanessa, her friend. She's also my friend as well. She was so helpful. I mean, like, she was just here helping, you know, trying to do everything. I mean, guy, like, it takes a whole village to get a bride ready. Like, this is not even the wedding, this is just photo shoot, and all hands are on deck. I mean, so I wanted to show you guys in detail, like, look at what the dress is looking like. I think that's a velvet mixed with like lace, but the dress is just so beautiful. And I love her makeup. I love the red lip. I love the soft black smoky eye. I hope you guys like it too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Okay, subscribe down below for more awesome vlogs and tutorials, and yeah. Now, for the first shot, the photographer is using this poolside, this little space by the poolside, and I think is absolutely beautiful. I love it. So I'm hoping that the pictures are going to come out looking super amazing. Alright, it's time to change into the second outfit. She's wearing this gorgeous blue dress and I love it. Like, I don't even know which one I like the most between the green and this one. Like, it's so beautiful. Of course, the hairstylist is here, and then they had to change the wig to this gorgeous black wig. I love it. They're just playing with the curls, you know, trying to get everything looking perfect so she can be looking like, you know, a baby girl for life. Yeah, so we're in the hallway. I think this next shots will be taken, you know, in the hallway, because the hallway is so beautiful. I mean, like, oh my god. So we're trying to get the photographer to come and so they can start taking pictures. Of course, I got hungry and I got food. Now this is the last outfit. Isn't she gorgeous? So the hairstylist is changing her hair into a ponytail, and yeah, this completes the vlog, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.